Yo, yo. Yo, yo. What up, gang? What up? Screen's cooked, all good. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Can't have a stream without technical issues, so you know what's up. You know how it is. Don't sleep on the technical issues. Yeah! Alright. What up? Let's get it. Friday Bandits. Friday Banditos. I'll just have to play this for the OGs.
To this day. To this day.
Alright, so let's have a look. NQ? Yeah, I'm a bit sus on NQ though. The way it's fucking moving, like just zigzagging its way down. 30 close, hour close with no bottom wick. Yeah, I'm personally not... Didn't go for this shit. Maybe. Maybe. We'll keep an eye on NQ. Two count two. David cooking. Yeah, David in the kitchen. David cooking over here. Let's see what's up. But we'll see if NQ. I don't know if I'll take an impulse, a breakout sell here. If any of you guys want to take it, like, I wouldn't blame you for taking it for sure. Maybe I want to take it. Maybe I want to take it. That's the question, though. Maybe I do want to take it. Somebody, you know. How many pips is this to the top of this 15 wick? Oh, I have no choice now. Oh, that's quite nice. Yeah, that's good. I mean, I'll give NQ a crack here. $30 in gold. Okay. Give NQ a crack here. I mean, first 50. There's a couple of things against us, but there's enough in favor. Could get chop suey, I don't know. Okay, that's a good sign. That's a good sign that it broke the low there. I would say that. I'll say that's a good sign. But, you know, who knows? I'm a Friday boy. Friday boy. Alright, be good to us, NQ. Oops, not selves. Wow, bro's brain's broken. Buy limit 2. Be good to us, NQ. I know sometimes you're mean, but I'm asking you just one simple favor here, and that's to be a good boy. What up, what up, what up? Already in a trade? Yes, sir. We're already blowing accounts. I'm just kicking TikTok in the guts. Get TikTok started up here. All right, cool. What up, TikTok? Oh, there we go. I'm going to BE here. I'm going to BE here. And we'll let this run down to here if it wants to go. W. All right, that was quick. That was a quickie. Little Nicky. What up, what up, what up? Tie with the SIG. All right, I'm out. W. Yeah, W. I probably wouldn't have even paid too much. Oh, I don't know. I'll credit Static for that. Everyone loves Static. W. Double who? Double U. Bro, your boy's eating today. I'm fucking eating over all accounts. W, welcome to the stream. See what happens when you come up to the stream? You become cool. Perry on his old account on YouTube. I'm holding for all-time lows. Yeah, fair. Fair stuff. I mean, statistically, I'm fucking doing really well on Fridays. Ooh. Yeah. So I'm going to hang out and look for one more trade here today. And take it. Graph! He is levitated out of his body and arrived back into reality. What up, cousin? What up, my actual human cousin? Thanks, Ty, sir. Sig, sir. Siggy, Tai. Taiwanese. Bro, I've only traded 2 days this week, I think. I've made over $10,000 Australian with 2 days of trading. Isn't that just stupid? I got to show up the stream and talk about fucking Tory trades and Illuminati and then just make 10K accidentally as well. So what's up here with gold? Trading's a scam though. Any of you guys want to learn price action from Price Action Daniel? You go to danielholmestrades.com and you can learn one-on-one mentoring. I don't sell just a course, I only sell mentoring, to be honest, and community. I use Notion for journaling. Yeah, good point. Might chuck that one in the journo. 1 hour, 30-minute. 15. W. So let's see if we can get cooking here on gold. I think that's going to be a good idea to see if we can get cooking on gold. I'm going to put a level here. This is a pretty interesting level actually for a break below if this candle wants to close green. NQ is definitely still a thing. I'm going to be running NQ as of next week. This week's been probably the busiest week I've ever had in the humanity. You already made in early morning? Yeah. I mean, it's more than that. 134 USD times 5. I don't know how much that is, but probably $1,000 or something. Australian. So just here right now, talking about me, like I pulled out that meme to this day, clicking a button and calling Ty the Sig Lord, I made $1,000. Just standing here, I scratched my nuts a couple times, like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not saying that to brag, I'm just saying that to be like how ridiculous this game can be. I don't know. Oh, but how did you get to that point? Oh, I just cried probably 10 times. Punched my desk, screamed into a pillow, thought about quitting, had midlife crises. That's all. That's all. Talk. Yeah. For years. For years. Sylvia! What up? Lucky Nuts. What is up? What is love? Yeah, then I got a roundtable podcast after this. Should be cool, man. Bunch of funded traders. We're doing a bit of a roundtable. How do you deal with the biggest loss of or loss of a funded account? Yeah, it's tough. There's only one thing you can do is just learn from it. Did you lose it because you did some stupid stuff? Which is always yes. And then just try to aim to not do that stupid stuff again. Regrets not meet Tory. You can't forget this one. Yeah, not for me. Like one of the lads are going to run it in the Discord, Jack. But yeah, I can't. I'm going to have to start fresh next week. This week's just been too hectic, especially with the switch of schedule. You're very good looking. I love your advice and trading as a beginner. I love you, Kemi. You love my advice and I love you, just like Jesus does. Jesus. If gold was, so check this out, you guys. If gold does this, I'm going to look to buy gold. If the next candle wants to print like this, I'm going to look to have a buy stop sitting there because look on the 30 how that would look. That would be a 30 closure up here. And it would show there's a lot of strength starting to push back in the 30 would end up looking like this. Get that wick down, and I think that's enough in our favor to indicate that gold's going to start moving back up. What up, Mr. H? Jesus is God. I agree. I think that's a true statement. Jesus Christ. What's your screen time on the phone? Some days it's too much. Yeah, that's one of my goals in my mind. I've got to cut down on screen time for sure. All right, there's the first 15 closure. What's Bitcoin up to? I wouldn't enter if it breaks a high. No, I'd need this current 15 to close. Graph delete. You know, Graph's back in the chat. People just start getting fucking nerfed. I literally got nerfed in the comment section. I just said something on my story, you guys, on Instagram. I said, don't ever compare yourself to another trader's profits, or, you know, you might see my shits here and be like, oh man, you know, I want to make that. Why do I keep blowing accounts and shit like that? And it's like, I used to do that coming up, and I was like, I would see someone crushing, and I'd be like, fuck man, why can they do it and I keep blowing accounts and I keep being in drawdown? And it's like, it's actually, obviously it's easier said than done, but it's actually really bad for your psychology to compare yourself to another trader's journey. What I've found is your journey comes in chapters, and you won't even realize, but you'll transition to the next chapter, and the next chapter in, like, it happens without you realizing. So by the time you get to the point where you are that guy or girl, your journey is actually going to be different to the person that you used to compare yourself to. Your journey is going to be literally different, bro. I promise you. What's a typical week in profits? Billions! No, I don't know. But yeah, I'm interested, you guys, in the mentorship to see, let's get this weekly. Something that we do in my mentorship community is, like, we don't really like flex too much throughout the week in terms of wins and shit like that. I'm happy to see losses, but not too much wins. But at the end of the week, we have a section here called weekly wins. And that's where we want to start filling up and seeing other people cooking. Static over here just got another payout. ST, another first ever payout. Some W trades here by Jack. So yeah, we'll start cooking on this, considering it's Friday. I love your advice. Been watching. Okay, is advices actually a word? I'm 34. Throughout my entire life, I've heard the word advices, and I've always thought that sounds wrong. Binge watch them on your page. It's making me stay calm, knowing. Yes, sir. Yep. Just patience. Don't leave, gold. Corsicus, bro, I haven't seen your name in the chat for a long time. Me blow the account amount 4 times till I knew the strategy used daily. Thanks, bro. Thank you. Yeah. What up, what up? Brother, if you've blown 5 accounts, that's nothing, man. I've blown so many, it's not even funny. It would actually make you sick. How to stop revenge trading. If you watch my latest video on YouTube, I talk about it quite a lot. Advice is not a word. That's fucking good to know then. Is this your real account? No. So success is a frequency. The Best Loser Wins. Great book for trading psychology. If you want to find success outside of trading, in business or in people, here's some basic fundamental principles on how to deal with people. Communication skills. It's just called skills with people. And it's just some dot points essentially of like some of the most important skills that you need as an individual. And then Think and Grow Rich is great for starting to think about the world differently as not more than just matter and energy, that there's like a different layer, which is the power of the mind, thoughts becoming things essentially, and how you can kind of train your mind. I don't like the word manifestation because it goes deeper than that. It's about like, it's a different concept. And then obviously the most important book of them all is the Bible. The Bible has everything. You don't even need these if you've got the Bible, to be honest. Brother, I'm blocking you because it's just weird. All right, come on, gold man. Don't do us dirty. You took my question very silly while the point to be subscribe. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I took it silly because obviously it's my real account. Why would I be live on a fake account? 470 with that trade you just took. Nice, good stuff. Big Dave, what up, brother? I'm just working on blowing my first account. Yeah, awesome, Dave. First account, this is good stuff, man. Excited for you. Excited for you. Who remembers their first ever fund, like challenge account? Like when you first ever decided, all right, I'm going to start trading a challenge account. It's a very interesting feeling because it kind of like starts to make you think about, wow, the possibilities of what could be. It's a very exciting feeling. And here's the thing, it goes from excitement to sheer fucking pain and misery. If this is where having a mentorship and a community around you helps a lot. Helps a lot. No, the code's Dan Drift. Having a community helps a lot because when there's no community or no mentor, it's just like you and your own thoughts. But when you've got a mentor or somebody that's been there, done that, and came out the other side, it's a lot easier. Yeah, gold's doing us a bit dirty here. I wasn't comfortable with taking this, especially with little to no top bottom wick. Maybe if some of you guys might have been comfortable there, I couldn't do that. I couldn't do that personally. Nah, I couldn't do it. Having a trading buddy is key. Yeah, as long as it's the right type of buddy. When you blew your accounts, did you have a mentor? I didn't have a mentor. I had there's not many mentors in the industry. There's like courses. There's courses and shit. Yeah. It's been a while since I've seen you live. I'm live every day. To this day. But thank you for being here. I'm always blowing my funded accounts a day. I'm about to get a payout. Yeah, I've done that too. I mean, the biggest thing is you're acknowledging the fact, like you're identifying that there's a reoccurring thing there. So now you have to be on guard and set some new rules at that point. When I'm getting close to getting a payout, I usually act stupid. So now you know to be on guard. That's fine, Bondface. If you only have that many trades, that's fine. Bro, tell me about Sunday mentorship. Oh, you'll receive an email. It's not the mentorship. Are you talking about the Sunday seminar? Yeah, we've rescheduled the Sunday seminar. If you applied for it via email, you will go to reschedule email. How does the Bible have all them books, bro? Because the Bible is text that is represented by infinite intelligence from above. So it's timeless wisdom. Timeless wisdom. There's pages that I've spent like a week on, just going back and forth. I'm like, fuck, it's so true. Really? Is that? Oh, you might be right. No. Oh. I just turned the desktop off. You're right. Fuck, that's annoying. That might have been really bad audio for that whole time. Got stuck in phase 1 for 3 months. Yeah, I've done that before. Leo, aren't you in the mentorship? You guys, if you get stuck in drawdown for like 3 months, just go to another. Yeah, you are. Just get out of drawdown, bro. Either full margin it your way out of drawdown, or just get a new account or something, because you just got like 3 months of this cook psychology and drawdown. I've done it all before. Yeah, you want to, and even if you're not in drawdown, you're in profits and it's just going up slowly, increase the size a little bit. You know what I mean? I'm 5% cooked drawdown. Am I cooked? Even if you are cooked, there's no big deal. It's just a funded account. It's just a challenge account. Will they let you drift one of the cars? I hope so. Bro, read the Quran. Nah, it's not the updated version of the Bible. The Bible's the updated version of the Bible. Really, Grant? Is it? You're talking about a challenge account? That can't be right. Surely you can tell them, hey, like clearly it was a mistake. Like I had. No way, bro. Is that real? If your reoccurring payments coming up on your challenge account, it just wipes the account. Rooks, what up, what up, what up? Wow, balloon. How do you make a trade that applies to multiple accounts simultaneously? Use a copy trader. You're my role model? You are my role model. All right, getting a 30 closure here. It's taken off a little bit. Nah, there's no code for top step. Oh, you have 30 days to pay. I gotcha. I've seen NQ do this so many times where it breaks below a key level after it accumulate, like just, you know, accumulating for the day, and then it always fails unless it's like New York. I think that dash 25 only works if it's like your first account or something like that. Like first account with them or some shit. Oh, okay. But if I follow my rules every day and not focus on making money, will I be profitable? Yes. I usually won't say definite things, but the answer to that question is yes. Which is just like the most empowering thing that you could know. You just, literally, I just told you the key to success in trading. That's given that you already have a profitable system though. I don't know how you trade. Yeah, your system could suck. Because there's a lot of systems that actually do suck, trust me. You know how you hear the thing, any trade, any strategy can be profitable. Yeah, I've seen some fucking cooked strategies. And it's not that their strategy is cooked, it's just that it's not very fleshed out. Is I don't know all the parameters. Bro, you up 4K? Yeah, 4.5. I'm up on Top Step as well. 5 Top Step accounts, 2 Bullinoxes. Why you didn't take a buy as it breaks 15? It just wasn't my setup, especially the fact it didn't even wick down as well. Enough for me. It just, yeah, I'm just not comfortable with this. It's a bit inconsistent. It's just not that, it wasn't that familiar for me. It wasn't that familiar. the price action. I'll tell you one thing though. Let's see. I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. We might get. We'll see. We might get a good sell opportunity. I don't know. Be process orientated. Yeah. Yesterday, one of my biggest profit days, but I'm afraid that it might affect my trading and my decision making today. Do you have any advice over it? Yes, my advice is be aware of it like you are right now. That's the best thing you can do. You're actually aware that it can fuck with you, and that's the biggest thing. Positive T2 on the 30. Nah, the reason why I start is, I mean, Jack, is the structure on the 15. You typically want, like you want the 15 to kind of look like this, Jack. And this is if you go through the course content, type 2, part 3, which is you want the 15 to look like this. And then maybe a small candle here holding support above. Then you're typically good to go, because those are the 230 candles. When it's like these two structures, we've already had a lot of green move, and it's just not it. Like the data that I've collected it's just not good enough for me personally. Bro, you missed type 2. Nah, I didn't, bro. Not for me personally. Yeah, I'd be interested if that happened, Stat. Yeah, I'd be interested then. Yep, for sure. So if we get this candle to close small body red, I'd be interested in having a buy stop at the break of the 30 high. And yeah. Is this a challenge account? No. Oh, you fuckers can't see. Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, of course there's consistency rules. Looks nice on just a 30. It could leave. I can't do it. Does Dubai live up to the hype? I don't know what hype you're looking at, but yeah, I like Dubai's really good. I really like Dubai. Yep. But yeah, I don't know what hype you're looking at. That's all. Fuck. Is this guy blind or something? He never answers my questions. Bro, probably because they're stupid questions. That'd be a fucking big thing, I would say. What up, Gunter? Bro is not sitting? Yes, bro is not sitting. Isn't retesting the zone it broke out of pre-London? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe retesting back in the top end. But yeah, I don't really think about that too much. Like, this is actually a good thing someone brought up in the mentorship today is like, you know, how much do you pay attention to these kind of zones to the left? And you don't pay much attention really. I'm more paying attention to like what's to the immediate left. You made 2K, bro, with... Enid, yes, potentially, yeah. Yeah, mate. Potentially, we'll see what happens. Like supercars everywhere, extravagant, beautiful ladies. I mean, yeah, that's definitely a thing. Yep. There's a lot of, I could look out my window right now and I'll definitely see Lambo and shit drive by. Look, I'll be brutally honest, what's driving by? Okay, Camry, taxi, Big Chuck, what up, Camry, all right, well, fucking the one time, Toyota, motorbike, Lexus. Alhamdulillah. Good to have you here, bro. Taxi, wow, all right. But anyway, yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, there's camels as well. I was just at the beach and there's 2 camels at the beach. They do like camel rides. What's 1134 mean? My Allah give more and more success. Nice. Are you in JBR? Yes. Bro fucking knows where I live. You converted to Islam? No. All right. I already answered that. You'd use the copy trader. If you trade Bullinox or Top Step or anything that uses Project X, this platform here is called Project X. It has an inbuilt copy trading system. Oh, I see. Someone else's time. Bro, I need to be like you. Give me advice. I mean, it depends. If you're talking about trading, you just kind of show up every day and just try to get better every day. That's the biggest thing you can do to get good. That's the number one thing you can do. Look at these guys in the mentorship eating. W Shem. Yeah, these guys are getting good. These guys are getting good, man. I swear oh, you sent that in the DM, Shem. Okay, do you mind, can I show it, Shem? It's all right if you don't want me to. But yeah, man, these guys are getting good. These guys are getting good. Does Bulldogs pay out for real? No, they don't pay out. They're scared that you are going to get so much profits, you specifically, that they're like, no, we can't pay that dude out. He is going to just milk us dry. Milk. In the name of Jesus, Allah, give me... Bro, pick a side, my dude. Winchell, what up? I want to be like you and stand all day. I mean, you can say it as a joke, but can you do it? Or are you so used to sitting down that your body's just become a little bitch-ass body? I can stand here for hours without moving because I'm a fucking G and I've trained my glutes to just lock in. So let's see what happens here. Looks like NQ wants to melt, man. Actually, no, just delete that quote. Graph what? Yeah, it wasn't it for me, Gert. There's specifics in terms of the 15 candle structure that I need to have in order to be interested in. I just didn't get that. Oh, watching from Abu Dhabi. Nice. I want to come to Abu Dhabi soon and watch a UFC card if they have one. Guys, like the live? Yeah, you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream here on YouTube. If we get to 100 likes, that's freaking cool. As a newbie, my biggest issue is knowing what to look at when buying and selling. I mean, you're basically just saying as a newbie, my biggest issue is knowing how to take a trade. Nah, Enid, it's on all time frames. So it's on, I have to have an overview on the 15, the 30, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the day. Like I need to collectively to make the decision. Look at Naz, small body red. But the next range is like right there. You know what I mean? See how the next range is very close? Right here. So I'll be buying straight into resistance, where if we get a similar setup like this on gold, I know that there's a lot of range still into the next point, which is all the way up here. So I can buy all the way up without having too much issues. Yeah, that's something that will get you in trouble if you ignore that. Hi Drain, good to catch up with you today, my brother. You gonna enjoy driving it? Oh really? I can't tell if you're being sarcastic or not. I feel like I would. I love desert, just looking at desert and shit. Like I went out to the sand dunes for the first time the other day. Your boy got sandy with it. I'm a sandy boy. Yeah, it's just crazy. Like your trading journey is really going to come in chapters. I can genuinely remember like it was yesterday, just sitting in my room on my bed after blowing a bunch of accounts, filming myself. I was like, I'll journal this. I'll track this moment. And just be like, yeah, I just blew like 2 accounts. This is way harder than I thought it was going to be. I don't know how to do it. I'm just going to try. And then you just like make 10K in 2 days and it's just like, you're kind of numb because you're like, of course I did. Yeah, of course I made that. Like, but the transition through each chapter is like, you don't realize when you're in that transition phase. It's like, if you're changing genders, you probably don't realize throughout the phase that you actually want to be a boy or a girl. Oh, fuck. Hey bro, how much realistically percentage should I be aiming to make a month? None. You don't even think about it. Peter, how long have you been trading for, brother? So trading is like changing genders? It kind of is. I mean, realistically, I say it all the time, but trading is the best self-development tool. So in order to be the person that you want to be on the markets, you're probably going to have to change quite a lot. Oh, look, Raja's in the chat. There's Raja. Bro, Raja just sent some gifts over here on TikTok. Glasses. I wonder how much glasses are. Oh, look, he said, you know, white people don't read Arabic. Bro, I'm not white. I've got a tan now. I'm not white anymore. I love you, Raja. Raja, I was in the studios. I was in Dominion Market Studios yesterday, you guys, in Dubai. Catch up with Raja's brother. Raja's brother is a really cool dude as well. Told Raja to make prop firm available for UAE residents. UAE residents? Yeah, I think that you're the problem there, maybe. Who let you in? Yeah, I know. I freaking smuggled my way in. Yeah, incrementally, Lemon. Incrementally is going to be the best way. Definitely. Incrementally is going to be the best way. This candle's a bit weird, man. It's a bit more doji-ish. It's a bit more doji-ish. 33 pip stops. $33 pip stops. Should we give it a crack? I mean, it's not the prettiest, but it's not the ugliest. I've done worse. I've definitely done worse. Done way worse. When's podcast Raj coming out? It's been put in a vault, and then one day we will release it to the wild. No, I don't know. Our granddaddy in the chat. But I see people making 2K per day. Do they just have large balances? I mean, I'm up 2K more than 4.5K today, and it's just use challenge. I just use funded accounts. It's losing volume, may reverse. Yeah, might reverse. I don't know. We'll see. Thoughts on funded account versus live account? I think if you're if you're a newer trader, funded account's probably the go. Because you're just going to lose heaps. So why lose real dollars if you can just use like the amount that it costs to get a funded account? Oh, nice log. Let's go. Let's go, brother. We'll get you booked in for a one-on-one, and excited for you, man. Let's get cracking away. All right, I'm in. Let's see if we can blow an account here. Let's see if we can blow an account. For top step funded, are you shut down after losing? Depends what the account size is. It all depends on the account size. What broker do you use? Tora Markets. Yeah, I'm going to start trading my personal with Tora Markets on Monday. Anyone heard from Mitch? Yeah, Mitch is active in the mentorship community. Yeah, we've got to get on his back. It's hard to vlog every day. Like, it really is. I know the pain. Like, I know how difficult it can be. Yeah, it's not easy. W. I'm going to BE here. That's 22 pips. I'm going to cut some size. So, all right, W. Double U. Instead of one U, double that. Let's go. Let's go. Bro, Fridays have been paying. Last Friday we got 2 dubs. This Friday we got 2 dubs. Y'all sleeping on the strat. Easy money. Easy money. Now you can take all this money straight to the strip club and live like a king. You can go live like a king. Chill Danny leaves the money for them. Oh, very good. Very nice. Damn, bro. This might be one of my biggest days over here. 4K on Bullinox, 200 per account on Top Step, over 5 accounts. Wow. Massive dubs. Massive dubs. You guys, if you caught one of these trades here on stream today, chuck a W in the chat. Let me get some footage to look cool for Instagram. So 2 trades taken here on stream. Got the community over here. Look at this. Damn, all these people talk. All these people use me for my signals. And crazy. Fridays have been paying. Used and abused. Nice. Wow. This is crazy. Dub City. Who just did anyone get funded today? Because I know some of you guys, or just get some W. Aaron took the same one but entered earlier. Damn it! I'll never live up to his shoes. W. I'll never be like them other guys. Yeah, it's always... So here's the thing, you guys. Wait, is it Friday? Yeah. Bro, 2 W's, you know, towards the end of a Friday. If I was you, do not take another motherfucking trade today. Just call it a day now. Why take another trade? You made money. It's difficult to make money in the markets. You did it twice. Call it a day. 250 away from passing 2 top steps. Yes, Shem. Yes. You know what to do now? Revenge trade and blow them at 250 away. Nah, good stuff, man. Amazing. Beautiful progress. I'm close to passing 3 more fundeds. Nice, Jack. Good stuff, man. Send this clip to Tori and say that's what you're missing out on. What camera are you using? Quality. Thank you. It's called a ZV-E10 with a Sigma lens. What the Sigma? What are we trading, bro? You missed out. You're too late. This is what happens. I come live every day during the London Open session. You guys come towards the end of the session and say, oh, what happened? I missed. Because you're late. I'm on time every day regardless. Every single day. Same time, same place, doing the same thing. But you think you can just show up whenever you want and still just kill it in life. It's not going to work like that. Hey, you guys, real quick. Honestly, just to do a little bit of a plug, like if you actually are interested in learning from me, the strategy, the system, and working with me one-on-one, just type Daniel Holmes Trades into Google. Apply for the mentorship only for serious traders. And we can work one-on-one to really kind of change your life like this. Like, I would never have thought of a day like, what's 5K, like 5.5K USD in AUD for one trading session is just insane. You know, it's like 8,000 Australian dollars or something. And that's just like, I'm numb. I don't feel anything. Like to get to that point where you're just like, oh yeah, I guess I made $8,000 just chilling here. It's like, what the fuck? Yesterday was $5,000. It's just like, okay, all good. Do we get special glasses with the course? Bro, if you sign up to the mentorship, you get NFP glasses. Do you not get hit with Bullinox flipping date rule? Wait, what the fuck? Flipping date rule? The hell's a flipping date rule? I'll use your strategy indicated 91% win rate. Nice. I don't know about a 91% win rate, but yeah. Ali G in the house. But we kind of called it, like Static in the chat said, if it's closed small body red, are you interested? And the answer was yes. Then it closed small body red, so we took the trade. I used your indicator, lost all funded, now sitting at a bus stop. Yeah, that'll get ya. Simple, yep, exactly, man. Exactly. 2 for 2, yep. 2 for 2 on Friday, 2 for 2 last Friday as well. I'm a Friday boy. Check this out, you guys. Look what I'm doing. Because I'm a mature trader. All day, lock me out. Done. Oh, what about my top step accounts? All day, lock me out, done. I'm done for the week. I'm done for the week. Why? Because I'm a professional trader. What does a professional trader do? He says, I'm done. I don't need to look at a chart anymore. I'm done. Feminism is a problem. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys. If you want one-on-one mentorship from yours truly, type Daniel Holmes Trades into Google and apply below. Love you guys. Have a good weekend. And I'll catch up with you on, I'll do a live stream on TikTok on Sunday, but yeah, I'll catch up with you on Monday. And I'll chat to you guys in the mentorship in the Discord. Thanks, gang. Love yous. Love yous.